Sorkar Jylla kampatla pada jingkhein haka de jinglut jingshah haka pasumar kinong pang kibalasya ktah nau Khniang Covid-19 haka de begini Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ulai tu ba onsala ban pentip ba hadian katu kanipor ya jinglut jingshah baro haka jingele persya bante lakam ya jingshah priang jong Khniang Covid-19 Menteri Rangba ulai tu bagi babo na jingpynlut haka jingele persya ya uni Khniang kilong kiba kensan ya kiba ka Sorkar kamsyam lakmi lenti.
Sorry, I don't have the details with me right now, how much it is spent. But if you talk about the second wave, the expenditure has been lesser compared to the first wave. That's all I can say. I don't have the exact numbers with me, but maybe the next, we see what we have. On next Monday, I will try to give more details to that. But the press conference also, please. So but the expenses have been far lesser. As mentioned earlier to everybody, that earlier last year, if you recall, we had to spend a lot because we had to spend close to 60-70 crores on laborers. We had to spend a lot on the people who were living outside. We had to spend a lot on bringing them back out here. We had to spend a lot on keeping them quarantined for many days. So all these activities, which really were situations which one never expected, and really the decisions of those moments are not very easy to take. But we just kept a simple point in our mind at that point in time that whatever the situation may be, we should ensure that we help our people as much as possible. And so we went ahead, and last year the expenditures touched across more than 400 crores. But this year, it has not gone to that level. This year, we have tried to minimize expenditure. Of course, there's always a balance between the social aspect of helping people and the limit to which we can help and the financial resources. So it has not been easy for us, but in a nutshell, the expenditures are less than compared to last year, but I can give that to you next week.
What about the